There are so many planets in the universe that have more than one moon. So what would happen if Earth had two moons? This is a what-if scenario explained in under 60 seconds, fast, colorful edits. People love it. Short speculative science videos do really well on social media. They're fun, they're engaging, and they're educational. That's what makes them so popular. If you've ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what it would be like if we had two moons, then this video is for you. We're going to explore the astronomical possibilities of having a second moon and what kind of impact it would have on our planet. First off, let's talk about the size of the moon. The moon is currently about 27% the size of Earth. It's pretty big compared to other moons in the solar system. If we had two moons, each one would need to be roughly half the size of the current moon to maintain balance. So we're talking about a moonlet. Now, having two moons would definitely have an impact on the tides. The gravitational pull of the moons would cause bulges in the oceans, just like they do now with our current moon. But with two moons, the tides would be much more extreme, with some areas experiencing up to 3 times the amount of flooding during high tide. But what about light pollution? Having two moons would mean double the amount of moonlight. This could make stargazing even more difficult than it already is. And don't forget about the extra shadows. Having two moons would mean that we'd have multiple sets of shadows on the ground. It would be really disorienting and kind of freaky. What if the moons were different sizes? If we had a large moon and a small moon, the gravitational pull of the larger moon would eventually pull the smaller moon into its orbit. And then we'd just have one big moon again. Or worse, the smaller moon could get sucked into the Earth's atmosphere, and then we'd have a giant meteor on our hands. If you enjoyed this video, then you'll love the series. Every episode tackles a different scientific phenomenon in under 60 seconds. You'll learn something new every time.